Hi guys, this is Samir from 4x4 Gulf LLC. Remember the previous video where I shared with you guys the fuse box that I've received from Amazon. This is a waterproof fuse box. It's a good quality material that can be used to fix about 6 relays in fuse. That's my car from the outside, and I'm a proud member of 4x4 Gulf. Hey, why don't you guys join our weekly drives in Dubai? Log on to www.4x4gov.com and you can download our app either from Google or App Store. Now, let me show you guys what it is currently. A lot of wires here and there and a lot of mess. There's a potential risk of fire, if there is a spark. So the end result is it's a neat cabling, and I also have an extra fuse just in case this breaks. Then I just need to change the fuse. That's it. I also connected to 3 lights, and then I have a space for another 3 more lights.